parting message for Jason?
Hopefully you go well with Anika. Castaneda.
Huh? Do it, okay? I like it. Uy, parting message yung tinarong liti sa bani to the customers.
To everyone.
To the customers.
The customers are good. Yeah.
Plastic. Parting message
Huh?
for the customers. Hello.
Wala na akong
Hello.
masabi.
Shout out to my friends. Shout out. Parting message for Tito J.
Ayaw ko pa. Nalalasok din.
Parting message for Vodafone.
Vodafone, best of luck na lang.
Hi George, what's your parting message para sa mga customers?
Thank you for the 2 years. I've learned a lot.
Charot.
I did a lot.
Seryoso man.
I gave a lot.
Hey girl, what's your parting message to your customers?
Stay safe.
I like it.
Uy, parting message yung tinarong
Liti sa bani
to the customers.
To everyone.
To the customers.
The customers are good. Yeah.
Plastic.
No.
Okay. What's your parting message to that customer who
Don't be a bitch. Later na mas mugwa pa pa.
Hindi, message na dayon.
Ano na lang?
Congratulations, by the way.
Pagkuhan ba siya ka ng...
Lalalapan message ko nang nag-ubo. Parting message
Huh?
for the customers. Hello.
Wala na akong
Hello.
masabi.
Shout out to my friends. Shout out. What's your parting message to the customers? What's your parting message to the customers?
Ganun na party.
Unsa day? What's your I hope what's your
Last message for what do you want to say to Vodafone?
what's your parting message for the customers?
Parting message.
For the customers.
Parting message.
Parting message.
Parting
message for
for
the
Vodafone na
customers.
lang, Vodafone.
Parting message for the customers.
And the team.
Ayaw,
Parting
Merv.
message for Vodafone. Merv, kahila ko na ko, Merv. Hawat lang ko sa mong message. Ako na.
Ay, day, before mo
Parting message.
parting
Before
message
ka
sa
mo
imong
Okay. Sa tarong box.
parting message sa imong mga customers.
Customers?
Oo, parting message sa
Ayo, customers and Vodafone. Okay, before ka mo inom.
Farewell sa mga nisakop sa Australia na mga Indiano.
Uy, buwan. Musang langoy-langoy dira. Hello. Shout out sa imong mga barkada. Shout out.